Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I did something a whole lot different than anything else that I've done before. I decided I was gonna become Cruella de Vil, so here's the process. Okay, so this is going to be a little talk through video because I really don't do these often, and I will have all the products that I'm using listed below if I don't speak about them. This is my Juno&Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. I love it. I do have a code down below. You can shop anything Juno&Co and save some money. And also, this is like my favorite foundation that's like drugstore from Makeup Revolution. It's so freaking good, but it's a little too light and I like to mix it, and it mixes well with all my other foundations. I'm actually really excited because this is also a collab with my very good friend Noelle, and I'm gonna just give you a little sneak peek of her look right now. She really killed it. So you guys, this is a collab with Noelle. I will have her down below. Go check out her video. She did the same look as me. Well, we both did Cruella de Vil, but we did like different concepts. I was going for more of a Cruella inspired look, not necessarily like the full on, get up, but I think what I did wind up doing was actually pretty cute, as you could see from the beginning. And I don't know, I really liked it. Now what I'm doing here is, well, I had a whole different like vibe I was going for. I was gonna just barely fluff that out and then add white like on the inside, but I realized quickly that that wasn't really gonna happen. So I messed up. Okay, this was a mistake, but I fixed it, you guys. You guys know I can fix mistakes, okay? So I just blended for probably like the 5 minutes, but of course you're not gonna see that, but I did. I blended for like 5 minutes because I realized that that harsh line that I did and packing the white on probably wasn't gonna happen. So yeah, we changed it, but I think it was for the better. I even added some more black to the outer corner because I wanted to do some kind of like fat flare, kind of like flare jeans, if you know what I mean. So I was doing some kind of flare, which it'll come together if you don't remember the beginning already. But I don't know, I just really liked how this looked, and I liked being something different. And wait till you see my brows. That was insane. Okay, that was a whole movement for me, by the way. Now I'm packing on this white shade, and this is when the look starts to, take shape and take form. Really into it. I I don't really know what else to say other than, I'm pretty proud of myself for doing something that I normally wouldn't do, go out of my comfort zone and become somebody else, which was definitely very different for me, especially like a Halloween look. I don't ever do them, and I just thought it'd be really fun, especially because Halloween is right around the corner. My good friend Noelle is doing a bunch of looks over on her channel. So I was like, you know what? I really want to do a look. Let's collab. And of course, she collabed with me because she's the sweetest soul on the entire earth. She's like the only person I collab with because, well, I can trust her. But here I am doing some eyeliner. Ooh, but it's my brows. Now, I can tell you guys that for some reason, I wasn't mad about the dark black brows. Like, I could see myself, I don't know if I could see myself dyeing my hair black or something, but I mean, I was kind of rocking the black brows. Now, were they perfect? Absolutely not. I can't even get my normal brows perfect. But like, I mean, they're okay. As you can see, they're a little misshapen. One's a little higher than the other, but that's what my natural brows do anyways. Here I have the best product, the Cream Fenty bronzer. So good. I got the amber shade, which is like the cool contouring shade, and I love this stuff so much. As you can see, you could definitely see some hairbrush bristles from the hairbrush. not an actual hairbrush. Bristles from a brush. You know what I'm talking about? God. Anyways, you can see that I have like hair from my little brushes like all in there. That's how much I use it. It's not exactly easy to get the little hairs out, so don't judge the hairs being still in there. But yeah, this stuff is so, so good. And if I am doing any kind of look like this ever again, I know I'm going to use it. It really just like, look how good the cheeks look. Did you see that? They look so hollow. Now, I would never actually go this intense with this bronzer, but for the look, what I was doing was intense. Ooh, one of my favorite blushes, the Hourglass Blush. I have 3 of them. This one's in Dim Fusion. So pretty. I wanted to go for like a darker one to like go on top. I don't know. I really liked it, but I kind of just wanted to go for like a really somewhat sculpted, also deep, hollow cheek look because she does have like those really deep cheeks, especially the cartoon version, which Glenn Close, by the way, I love the movie version more than the actual cartoon version. I think Glenn Close is amazing as Cruella de Vil, by the way, the best. But I'm also looking forward to seeing the one that Emma Stone is in because I adore Emma Stone to pieces. And I really like her makeup look that she's got going on in the movie, and I think it's a lot more modern-esque, but I don't know. Cruella de Vil is probably my favorite villain out of all the villains, so that's another reason why I'm really excited about this collab and becoming Cruella herself, even though I love puppies, and I would never want to wear them because that's just rude. Here I'm like, well, now it's already gone, but I put some highlighter on the top of my lip because you know we like that highlight on that Cupid's bow, and I think I'm about to contour the bottom of my lip if I remember correctly. Can we also talk about how snatched my nose is? Oh wait, I already did. Whenever I put bronzer underneath, I am like contouring like the darkness of my lips so my lips look bigger because I was trying to go for like a full lip, so I really overlined the heck out of my lips, which kind of look ridiculous, which I don't really do, but for this look I wanted to have really fluffy lips, like the most amazing fluffy pancakes. That's what I was going for, was a fluffy pancake lip look. Oh, this Marc Jacobs mascara that I got from a Sephora's favorite, by the way, that's a legit mascara. That one's like a top 5 for sure. I just wanted to mention that. Oh, you guys, the look is about to seriously come together. Okay, using those ridiculous lashes that you guys made fun of me of and said that I look like a hooker. Well, I'm using them again because guess what? They're the best Cruella lashes ever. Look at that. That just like makes me look evil. Like, well, not really. They look really, really cute. And if I had like the eyes for them, I would wear them. But like for this look, it just, I'm thinking of them like as like spider webs or something creepy like that because, you know, Halloween. We're going for like a creepy vibe. So pretend these are like really nasty, like black spider webs on my eyes because, you know, whatever. Anyways, now I'm going to dust off underneath my cheek so you can see this contour just be sharp as a piece of glass. Even though it's not like the best, but y'all, I'm about to put this wig on and show you the final look, and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Here it is, you guys. The final look. Do I not look like a cute modern day Cruella? Yes, I do. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much, Noelle, for collabing with me on this. I'm so excited for everyone else to watch your video. Go watch her video, linked below, and enjoy because it's going to be so good. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!